How to create Steam account. First of all, open any web browser. In the search bar, search for create Steam account. Move into the very first site. It will land you on the interface where you'll get to create your Steam account. First of all, right here, enter your email address and then re-enter your email address. Once you are done, tap on this checkbox. You need to solve one of the puzzle, and once you are done, tap on verify. Tap on one more checkbox and tap on continue. It will send one verification mail to your email address. You need to go back and head over to your Gmail. You can see that you have already received the mail. Tap on it. Now scroll down and tap on this verify my email address. Once it is verified, go back to your previous page. Now all you gotta do is enter the name for your Steam account. Once you have entered your name, right here choose the password for your Steam account. Once you are done, re-enter the password for the confirmation. Now tap on done. So there you go, your Steam account has been created successfully. So this is it, and this was a tutorial video on how to create a Steam account. I really hope this video is gonna help you out. Thanks for watching it till the end.